back at the FOM, and today I have
Mohammed from Autostyle Motorsport.
Alright, could you please tell me about your company?
We've been around for about 32 years. Got a store in Gauteng, in Johannesburg, Mayfair, Centurion, and we're opening a new store in Boksburg as well. We cater for aftermarket car accessories. We've got the largest range of alloy rims. Our tire prices are unbeatable with big range, with a wide range. Accessories and car audio, with the biggest, our showrooms are fully stocked. We trade online, or you can walk in 7 days to our showrooms.
Alright, awesome. So this store, the vibe here, I mean, is so electric. It is amazing here. And this is not the first time that you guys have been at the festival. So what were your expectations for this year's festival, and how has it been met?
So it's the second year we're doing the show. We notice consumers, clients want a more interactive display. They want to feel the products, touch the products. They want to see it installed in vehicles, and they want the advice from us and the ideas, and share their passion and chat about their cars. So that's what we provide. Come through. We've got the experience of 32 years. We've got the range. We've got the brands. Our prices are excellent, and we are open 7 days.
Right. Thank you, Mohammed.
Thank you very much.
Right. Now, this was an amazing interview. The energy in the store is amazing. And see you guys next time. Bye, Talk Time.